Hello viewers, and welcome to our channel, 5 Best Pick. When buying any products, it can be challenging to find the most value for money item. To make your purchase decision easier, in this video we picked only the best tools by comparing hundreds of products based on a few criteria and ranked them. For example, features of the product, manufacturer's reputation, value for money, and most importantly, user feedback. If you choose from this list, you can be rest assured that you are buying the best product. Please do check the product link in the description box below, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to enjoy more awesome contents like this. So, without any delay, let's get started.
Our number one pick is Fluke President Ultralight Fishing Reel. The Fluke President Ultralight rod is a quality reel at a reasonable price. This is a great reel for recreational fishermen. It is smooth and is built to last even with heavy use. It is made with a graphite body, graphite rotor, and a braid-ready spool. The slow oscillating gearing makes the reel feel very smooth. This lightweight reel has a sealed drag system and 7 to 10 corrosion-resistant ball bearings, which means that it should last even in a saltwater environment. The 20x size is perfect for catching crappie, bass, and trout. Sealed drag washers, always lubricated, always smooth. Slow oscillation gearing improves line lay and minimizes line twist. Lightweight graphite reel construction. Braid-ready spool allows braid to be tied directly to spool. Our second best ultralight spinning reel is Cast King Centron Ultralight Spinning Reel. The Cast King Centron 500 is a low-cost ultralight spinning reel. It is made with a graphite body, aluminum spool, and alloy metal gears. As with most spinning reels, the handle is interchangeable to work as a left-handed reel or right-handed reel. It has 9 maxi-dur bearings and an anti-reverse bearing. There is a lever to turn the anti-reverse on and off. It should stay on as this allows a better hook set. Loaded with features yet low on price. Cast King Summer/Centron offers the best value. At any level. The Cast King Summer fishing reel turns any angler into a pro. Narrow graphite frame design and computer balancing system combined with high performance in the compact spinning reel makes Cast King Summer Centron an awesome gift for anybody who loves fishing. Summer Centron spinning reel has a lighter and stronger CNC machined aluminum spool that has more even line lay, internal grooves for lube retention, and more fishing line capacity. Third in our list is Cast King Sharky 3 Ultralight Spinning Reels. This Cast King Sharky 3 1000 is a quality ultralight spinning reel. The first thing that stands out about this reel is the 3-disc carbon fiber drag that has a max drag force of 33 pounds. It has an aluminum spool with a rubber gasket to prevent a braided line from slipping. The 10 ball bearings are double shielded and made of stainless steel. It also has an instant anti-reverse bearing. There is not a lever to turn the anti-reveer off, but most anglers do not use that feature anyway. It has a thick main shaft that is made from stainless steel, a zinc drive gear, and a brass pinion gear. The handle is made of aluminum and has an EVA knob. This is a very popular reel and comes in 4 larger sizes as well. For details, let's watch more. Number 4 in our best ultralight spinning reel list is Shimano Syncopate Spinning Reel. The Shimano Syncopate 1000 is an ultralight reel with a quick-fire 2 trigger to open the bail. This trigger allows the line to be held with the index finger while also opening the bail, which allows for one-handed casting. Other features include a Dynabalance rotor, propulsion line management, and 4 ball bearings. This reel is great for kids because it makes casting easier. Featuring quick-fire 2 technology allowing for super easy and fast one-handed casting, which is perfect for beginners to open-faced reels and a favorite of experienced angler. built-in Varispeed technology provides consistent spool speeds while Dynabalance eliminates wobble during the retrieve by counterbalancing the rotor to enhance sensitivity and smoothness. Equipped with a propulsion line management system that provides longer casting distances while preventing backlashes and wind knots from forming. Our last pick is Okuma Summer Ultralight Spinning Reels. The sleek design and smooth performance of Summer spinning reels create a fantastic fishing experience for all anglers. Constructed on a fluid 8-bearing drive system and featuring Okuma precision elliptical gearing, Simmer delivers a full lineup of advanced performance features. This Okuma Simmer is an ultralight reel with 2 sizes under 8 ounces. Technologies built into the reel include the cyclonic flow computer balanced rotor, advanced line control system, and smooth elliptical gearing. The reel is constructed with a graphite body, forged zinc handle, aluminum bale wire, EVA knob, machine-cut brass pinion gear, and a machined aluminum spool that is ready for braided line. This is a quality reel that works well to catch average-sized fish in freshwater.
Thanks for watching this video. Beside top-rated product video, we randomly provide special Amazon discount offer. So, please subscribe 5 Best Pick to get more product deal and videos on your feed. You can also check below description for updated best product link and price. Happy shopping!